te situation ya covid riu ikiambata muno Kirinyaga na nturaboya andu aitu moe wira uyu na uritu uria wagirire. Gitumi gia tuke guku muthe ni kubingura ni ku inspect na gutengeria thibitari citu cia health center irike. Twina thibitari health center 19 turarikiriria na tuma mwena wa Kianjiru ni marikitie twi guku Kianjiru marikitie kwina kia Umbui na kwina ingi nyingi across the county. Na gitumi twike ugu ni undu tutirenda andu mathiage Kianyaga kana guthie Kiruguya mena mirimu aya simple tariu ta homa ugu kana guturwo ni nda kana ulcers kana routine iria cikoragwo ku niguo matika interact na aria mena mirimu iria serious ta iyo ya covid niguo tuone kana numbers icio citu ni gwikuruka. Kirinyaga riu twina covid cases iria tutarite ni 53 na aria me oxygen ni 16 na tutikwenda namba iyo yongerereke ni undu isolation center ya Kiruguya ni njihuru tuthiite nginya Kimbimbi na Baricho na tutikwenda any further expansion. Koguo turaira andu aitu muno makiria metikire kurumirira watho wa covid, gwikira mask, gwika social distance na gwithamba moko na mirimu iyo minini tumitware gukuma health center kana dispensary tutigakorwo tura interact na aria mena mirimu iria serious ta iyo ya covid thibitari ya level 4 kana ya level 5.
Nobody is safe. Kathoge police station, which had 6 police officers, for example, they tested positive. 5 are on self-quarantine. 1 has been admitted in Kimbimbi Hospital. And we are waiting for the Ministry of Health to say when the facility will be reopened. However, we have advised the members of public to seek for police services in the neighboring police station and police station and all that. And fortunately, Kirinyaga County is not a big county. You can be served at Kirinyaga Police Station. You can be served at PI, police post. The police services are very close to members of the public. This pandemic is also finding its way in our schools. We are not going to close the schools. We are going to have the schools where there are cases, self-quarantine will be done. And therefore, one of these media briefing sessions was to tell the Kirinyaga people, this time round, let us be responsible when we are managing the pandemic. In terms of politics, I've already said no political gatherings. And I also take this opportunity also to warn the boda operators. The boda operators, some of them have started doing criminal activities. Some of them have started getting used by politicians. And I want to warn them very, very strongly. We are warning them